In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a template in Pandadoc using two different methods. If you've ever found yourself needing a streamlined and efficient way to manage your documents, then this tutorial is just what you need. Let's start by heading over to Pandadoc's website, which makes creating, approving, tracking, and e-signing documents up to 40% faster compared to traditional methods. Once you're on the home page, the next step is to log into your account. Simply navigate to the top of the page where you'll see the login button. Click on it and a drop down menu will appear giving you different options to sign in. Here I'll be using Google to log in, as it offers a seamless experience by directly linking your Pandadoc account with your Google credentials. It's not just easy, but also saves you from the hassle of remembering different passwords. After selecting Google, you will be directed to a page where you can choose from one of the Google accounts you have linked. Select the account you wish to use and grant the necessary permissions for Pandadoc to access your details. Once this is complete, you will be redirected to your Pandadoc dashboard. Here's a handy tip. If you frequently switch between multiple accounts, make sure you're logged into the right one beforehand to avoid the confusion of opening the wrong documents. Now that you're logged in and ready to dive in, look for the templates section in your dashboard. This is where you can create new templates or manage existing ones. Click on templates and you'll be presented with the option to create a new template. Click on create template to get started. Pandadoc offers two choices here. You can select from a variety of pre-existing template designs that Pandadoc provides, or if you have specific requirements in mind, you can opt to create a blank template. Choosing a pre-existing design can significantly cut down on your setup time, as these templates are professionally crafted to cover a range of business needs. However, starting from a blank template gives you the freedom to build your document exactly as you envision it. If you opt for an existing template, simply click on the one that best suits your needs, and Pandadoc will guide you through customizing it with the necessary details like client information, pricing, and terms. On the other hand, if you're creating a blank template, you'll begin with a fresh canvas where you can add text blocks, images, and formatting to align with your company's branding. And that's it, you've now built a template in Pandadoc. This simple process empowers you to take control of your document management with ease and efficiency. By investing a little time up front to set up your templates, you can reap the benefits of quicker document turnover and enhanced productivity in no time. Thank you for watching, and happy document creating.